What's up everyone, it's Psychomav here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an install video of the Santoro bag protectors that go right onto the back of my beautiful 2023 Harley Road Glide. As you can see, I have the bike already on a lift. I also have the plastic pieces off as well as the bags. So just to give you a little bit overview right before we install, this is what the before will look like, and I will show you the after. All right, so we're about to get started. The install should take no more than 30 to 40 minutes. So also make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. I will be posting the links to this video of the parts that I use. So stay tuned and check it out. All right, so in today's video, we are going to be using our typical ratchet set. We are going to be using an impact gun that's hooked up to an air compressor, a cordless grinder so we can cut the bars here. We're gonna have to cut about 4 inches in. Also, we have a torque wrench to just torque it to spec. We're also gonna be throwing some Loctite on there. So this is just a quick overview of the tools that we will be using for this install. All right, so before I previously installed the right side of the bike, I am installing the left now of the bag protectors. So what I'm going to do is I first taped off here about 4 inches. This part right here is going to be coming off, and I'm going to cut this with a Sawzall. I just got to be careful. I taped off so I don't scratch the other side. So here we go. All right, as you can see, I cut this piece here. See the bracket? Now I'm gonna take this bracket off. All right, so now I'm gonna be taking this off with an impact drill. Okay, take that off. Now we're gonna be getting ready to install the bracket. So I'm just gonna pull this tape off just to show you. I messed it up a little bit, but it's not that bad. You're not gonna even tell. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna take a file to just file down the rough edges. All right, so now once that's all filed down, it's time to put on the bag protector. So first I'm gonna slide it to the piece that I cut off. I just have to kind of adjust it to get it into place. And once that's in place, make sure the holes are lined up right here, one here and one on top right there. I will be putting some Loctite on the bolts and bolting them in, and then I will be putting the bags on and showing you the finishing touch. All right, so here we have it. We have the frame slider on the left side, the frame slider installed On the right side, I hope you guys enjoyed what you see. I'm gonna do a little overview of what you guys see here. As you can see, they're installed. And I will be putting the bags back on and putting everything together now. So we finished the install. If you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I'm going to do a quick overview of what it looks like with the bags installed and everything. Overall, it was a very easy install. Just need to have the right tools. As you've seen earlier, the tools that I used, I switched from a grinder to a Sawzall just because the grinder batteries weren't charged, which is my mistake. Whatever. However, take a look at the install and make sure you guys comment down below what you think. Check it out.
Like and subscribe and hit that bell.
Hey, you heard it. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. This kid. So this is the 2023 Harley Road Glide with the Santoro bag guards. And yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram at PsychoMavHD and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. How-tos, ride-alongs, beautiful trips. I will be going cross country eventually, little by little. Slow and steady wins the race, guys. Ride, capture, and connect. We are out. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video. Check out my other videos. Let's go.